Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode daily challenge. Determine if strings halves are alike. So let us first read this question, then about constraint, and then finally the coding part for the same. So here, you are given a string S of even length. Split this string into two halves of equal lengths. Let A be the first half, B be the second half. Two strings are alike if they have same number of vowels all in uppercase and also in lowercase, and notice that S contains uppercase and lowercase letters. Return the true if A and B are alike, otherwise false. So, and the constraint here are that the length of S could be up to 1000 only, so constraint are pretty much low. We can even go ahead with a brute force solution, n square solution. But yeah, let us see that how what sort of time complexity solution we can do. So here, if we check this first example which is given to us, so in this, now the thing is that we are required to partition them between two halves, right? BOKA, right? So here we can see this is the vowel and this is the vowel and count of them is same. So that's why we will be returning true in this case. Now for this textbook, if we divide text and book, right? Here E is the only vowel and here there are two vowels which are O, right? So here 1 and 2, that's why they are not alike. So that's why we are required to return false. So now according to this, we will be implementing our solution. Means basically we will be making these strings as half and then we will be just checking that if it is equals to any of the vowel, then we'll increment the count and accordingly we'll return. So now you can even go ahead and implement by your own. Else, if you are stuck, you can resume and go ahead and check the solution. So here how I have done. So now rather than so here I have created a function where it will check that that particular character which is there, is it either of these, means basically is it either of lowercase or uppercase vowels, because this thing could be done like by taking some set also, means another set also. But why to use space complexity when, why to increase the space when we can do this in using a function as well. So here's our parent function where string s is given. So here I'm taking the vowel difference as 0 at the start and mid size of s divided by 2. So now I will be going ahead till mid at first and I'll check that is vowel s of I minus vowel mid plus I, whatever difference is there that I will be storing in the same and that I will be returning. Basically difference between the first half and the second half vowels that would be stored in this particular vowel difference. And the point is that if here is also the same and here it is also the same, so when we will be subtracting, so vowel difference would surely be 0, right? So that's how, if we are taking here negation, we are taking here that if vowel difference is not there, so that's why I have put this sign. If vowel difference is not there, then surely it will return true, else it will be returning false. So that is the thing which we are doing here. And now comes the part for the time complexity and space complexity. Here we are not using an extra space, and the time complexity here is order of n by 2. So basically the time complexity here is order of n by 2, which you can clearly say as order of n only. And the space complexity here is order of 1 because we are not using any extra space. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you can comment that down. And if you really like the explanation, you can like, subscribe and share this video among your friends. So this was all. Thank you.